Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. There is again a product which I will be reviewing today. Pink Rose Clay Face Mask by Wow Skin Science. This is from their Rose range and it's a face mask which is really nice. So I really wanted to share because I've recently added this in my skincare routine. And I personally, before, I never used to take care of my skin that much, but with time I realized that it's very important. So guys, to start with the review already. So guys, this is the packaging. As you can see, I really liked it, and especially the rose. It's because, you know, it is from their rose collection. So let's just open it up. So guys, what you'll see inside the package, they give you these brochures where you can just check out their different products, their new products, anything that they are launching, anything about their products. So it's a very big thing and there's a lot of stuff written here. So you can obviously just check out if you want to add something else in your skincare routine. You will find everything out here. It's very helpful. I really liked it. It's very helpful because when you buy a product, you really think that maybe something else you want to add, you don't know about it, so you'll get the entire range out here. So one more thing, this is the best thing, and I don't know why other brands don't do that, but hats off to Wow Skin Science for this, that they have given a special applier to apply the mask. So it's a very nice applier, so you can apply the mask through this. I really liked it that they have given it separately in the package. So guys, this is the container. As you can see, it's really nice. It's with a rose on top of the box, and this is the entire packaging. Let's open it. Wow, it's very thick and very nice. Let's read about this product. So it helped restore radiance to tired and lifeless skin with Wow Skin Science Pink Rose Clay Face Mask. Can be used by all skin types. Result may vary due to individual skin condition, of course. Depends person to person. Some people have oily skin, some people have really dry skin, so it always depends on your skin how better product will work on you. But it's especially for the radiance and tiredness that we are suffering every day because we work a lot and it's so stressful. So this product is a must. I have tried this product and that is why I'm reviewing it right now for you. It's very nice. You will see in the video how I have applied it. So you just apply it on your face, you keep it for 15 minutes, you let it dry, and you will see the difference yourself. First of all, you'll see that your skin is so soft after you wash the entire product. Once it's dry, your skin becomes really soft immediately, and also it becomes really radiant. Like, actually, not lying when I'm saying it, you actually look like a rose because that's what I felt. It gave me that pink and that glow on my face, that instant thing, and I really like this product for that. So you can use it anytime, and especially these days it's so tiring. It's always best to have a mask with you. Also, this container is so nice that you can carry it anywhere with you. It's not too huge, and of course when you have the applicator with this, nothing like it. So what is it made of? Mostly it's rose petal powder and rose essential oil. So the rose petal powder, I want to tell everyone that when you will open the product, so you'll see these black rose petal inside. So this is the powder which they are talking about, which means that obviously it's authentic and it is natural, and they have used actual rose petal for this particular product. They have used rose essential oil, which actually helps your skin and soothes it. That when I applied this product, my skin was so smooth. When I touched it, it felt like a baby skin. It's helped to hydrate your skin, and it is also beneficial for aging skin. So I think this is a must product that you guys should use it. Also, it is for 499 INR, which is very affordable, and I think you can use it for good 2-3 months because you don't use mask every day. So even if you use it every week or twice a week, will still be there for another 2 or 3 months. I think this is again a must buy. You should buy it totally without thinking. So guys, that's all about this particular video. So this was the product that I wanted to review. Guys, you should totally go for it, and if there is anything that you want to talk about, you can surely tell me. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, also share and like the video. Do not forget to follow me on Instagram. Take care till then. Bye bye.